Hi my friends. In this video let us see the few important dates for the upcoming September 2024 exam. I hope you have all seen this notification released by the institute on 18th May. In May itself the examination date for September has been given. We all know that CAfoundation and CA Intermediate are now conducted 3 times a year. So still I know people are somewhat like surprised and they still ask me, no, it is 2 times a year. Understand and remember, CA final is for 2 times a year, the normal way, but only for the CAfoundation as well as CA Intermediate. Now the institute is conducting 3 times in a year the examination. This will actually reduce the wait time, and you can give quick attempts and make quick decisions rather than waiting or to wait for the result. You can just start studying because there will be less time if you didn't clear and you want to give again. Okay, so in my previous videos, if you have seen, I have discussed the dates, but once again let us go through. CAfoundation exam for September 2024, the first time in September. It will be conducted, started on 13th, 15th, 18th and 20th. You have a day gap in between. And Intermediate Group 1 will start on 12th, 14th, 17th, and Group 2 will start on 19th, 21st, 23rd of September respectively. We all know that foundation exam has 4 papers. Paper 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 3 and 4 will be like there will be no advanced time for reading. You will not get any additional time. You need to just start. Okay, we should not forget that part. For paper 1 and 2 there will be advanced time, but for paper 3 and 4 there will not be any advanced reading time. Okay, so that's why you need to be ready for the paper 3 and 4. The moment you go, it will be started. Okay, and for CA Intermediate you will have reading time. That is a good thing to remember. Okay, and coming to the main dates, what I want to focus here in the today's video is that before that you all must understand that we have to register for the exam from eservices.icai.org. That is self-service portal. Okay, there is no concept of any physical hall ticket. And why I'm saying this, because those students know all these things. Sometimes the elders in the family or in the profession who have been in the paper mode, like for me till CA final it was in the paper mode. I used to fill the form for articleship and for CA final, and I got a letter saying I have been enrolled into CA final. But now everything is online. But still the elder people sometimes get, elder doesn't mean the old one, but in general the paper based CS, sometimes they get concerned, like is the child doing correctly, is the junior doing correctly, and they may say no, go and ask for physical thing. No, everything is now online. Okay, so you can enter into the self-service portal with your login credentials, that is username and password. Okay, and then the examination form filling pop-up will be there, where you can go and fill the examination form carefully. Now coming to the CA Intermediate, the time has already been over. The correction window is also closed. So now the only time available is for the CAfoundation students, where they have to pay the exam fees. The last date without late fees is 10th of August, with late fees 13th of August. And correction window, that you want to change in exam center, or you have not given a proper you have want to rectify something, the correction window is open from 14th of August to 16th, only 3 days, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so the fees you can see, you can write but remember one thing, the CAfoundation, all 4 papers will be in one at one time. Like you can't choose that I'll write only 1 and 2 now, I'll write 3 and 4 later. No, only the CA Intermediate students can decide if they want to give both groups or they want to give only one group this time. Okay, and one more thing my friends, coming to the language of my videos, mostly it will be in English and sometimes a mix of Hindi, Telugu and English. Okay, and there's one popular question, do we need to pay exam fees every time we write the exam? Yes, you need not pay the registration fees because it will be valid for 5 years or so. But coming to the exam fees, every time you write the exam you need to pay. Even if you have paid the exam fees, you didn't go to the exam, then also you need to pay the exam fees next time. So exam fees is for the particular attempt. Okay, and be careful while selecting the language, because if you want to write in Hindi and you have selected Hindi, it's good. But if you want to write in English and by mistake you have selected Hindi, correct it in the rectification time only. else again you need to give exam in Hindi, or you need to lose the attempt and again re-give the exam in the next coming cycle. Okay, so be careful with the language and center selection. So that is what I wanted to tell in this video. So CAfoundation students, start filling your exam forms. Now it is very less time, don't wait till the end. So start filling exam forms and prepare well. Okay, so this is regarding this video. Thank you.